Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with Unit 3 Database Management System. Before starting this, let us recap the revised topic by CBSE of this unit. So this unit is Computer Database Management System, and in database concept we have introduction to database concept and its need. The relational model, concept of domain, relation, tuple, attributes, degree, coordinate key, primary key, candidate key, alternate key, and foreign key. Structured query language, general concept of advanced using SQL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data types, number, decimal, character, varchar, then date, SQL commands covered into class 11th 1920. Then select distinct from here between, like null, order, group by, SQL function, sum, average, count, max function, minimum function, joins, equijoins and natural joins, interface of Python and SQLs, connecting with SQL with Python, creating database connectivity, application, performing insert, update, delete, display data by using fetch and fetch all or row count. And the topic deleted from this unit are create tables, drop table, alter table, update, set, insert, and delete. These concepts you have also studied in class 11th, and we have practiced thoroughly in these command. So let us start with your database concept part 1, database concept and database. So in this unit we will study about introduction about database, then what is database management system, needs for database, component of database management system, advantage of database. So in introductions, when we speak about an organizations, the large amount of data is required to be processed and handled. So this handling is performed by arranging data in the form of tables and database. Now what is database? Database defined as an organized collection of data, that is informations about the entire things that exist or things. So it is a shared collection of related data information used to support the activity and decision making of particular organization. It allows the user to enter, access and analyze their data quickly and easily. It serves as a containers which may be contain various database object. Then database is integrated as well as shared. For example, a file belonging to one organization will be treated as the database of that organizations. A database therefore considered as a repository to store data. So we will now discuss some component like file, tables, record, fields, etc. that can be important for database. So this is the pictorial overview of the database. Here is database. Then after database there is database management system, how we can manage the database. Then here application of that database, then how this application can be used by the users. So let us understand what is data. So if you can see, data is the then smallest, the beginning level of the database. Then after we have data items or field, then we have a record, table files and a database. Now these all things, which one? Data, data item, record, tables, they are collectively make a database. Now let us understand data. Data is raw facts and figures known as data. For example, Rama scored 75 marks math. These all are the example of data. But the information, a meaningful data, important meaningful data is known as information. For example, Ram scored 75 marks in math. So this becomes a informations. Now